Hi everyone. If your Copilot is missing or not working, then you have come to the right place because I'll show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Windows is updated. So you're gonna head over to a search bar, write updates, and click the first one. I'm gonna check if your Windows is updated or not. So make sure this thing is updated. The next step is to actually see if it's enabled via taskbar. So you're gonna wanna press Windows plus I and you're gonna go to personalization on the left side of the screen, go to taskbar and make sure if you see Microsoft Copilot, it's turned on here. I have it already on here. That's why it's not showing up here. All right, so if that still isn't working for you, then you're gonna head over to Microsoft Store and write Copilot here. All right, click the Copilot app and you can open it from here as well. Still, if it doesn't work for you, then you're going to open your task manager by pressing Control Shift and Escape, and then type Explorer here, and you can restart your Explorer like this. And then finally, you can restart your PC. So I hope this fixes your issue. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you with the next one.